This is Michele, technical sales specialist at Blackmagic Design. I look after the digital cinema cameras for the company. Today has been a great opportunity to talk about the 12K sensors as well as the Blackmagic RAW codec. Together they make a fantastic combination to unleash the power of the URSA Cine camera and the PYXIS 12K as well. Today the reaction from the audience has been great. The host here, the MediaCity Immersive technology side, along with the team at Scan, have put together a fantastic event. People were asking questions, they were very engaging, and we were happily answering all of those, and definitely spent a fantastic day with them.
I found the event to be incredible. It's great to know more about Blackmagic and what they're getting up to this year, and honestly I'm blown away. So the workshop for the PYXIS as well as the URSA was actually really insightful, because I'm thinking about making my next spend onto a new camera and just understanding about the affordability and what kind of entails in that. I think that masterclass was actually incredible. That workshop was great. This event was actually really fun to be at. I just found this online, and then my friend was just let's just come along, and he kind of dumped me out, so I'm out here alone. But meeting new people like DOPs, directors, producers here is actually pretty nice to kind of see. And yeah, Blackmagic is definitely improving my network.
Hello, I'm Anthony Hatton. I'm the director of the MediaCity Immersive Technologies Innovation Hub. It's been a great day. We've had so much content and enthusiasm around what we've seen, the technologies, the workflows, and most importantly bringing a whole range of people together to see that in our world. It was great to be able to show people around and show them the igloo, the VP lab, the Immersive lab, and really just show them what we can do to help them in their day-to-day, and as per the event, bring them into the world of some of the technologies which they may not see on a regular basis, bringing community together to make the connections between creatives and technologists, which we've seen a lot of today. The level of detail we went into in some of the talks today was well beyond what I hear on a day-to-day basis, but there's people around that need to know that. There's others around that need to have some context of that to be able to really connect with each other. And then the collisions that occur on an event like today means that they'll walk away from here with new ideas, new skills, new relationships to advance what they're doing, which is really how we then create the new innovations, create the new partnerships, create the new opportunities for people to go and hopefully succeed further in their careers.
Hi, I'm HaZ Dulull. I'm the founder of Beyond the Pixels, and I am currently making a video game called Astroburn. Well, first off, any excuse to come to Manchester, I am here. But also, this event's been really cool because it's quite an intimate event. Usually I go to a lot of events that are massive with tons and tons of people. This one's so much more intimate, which means that you get to interact with people much better as well. And also it's been really nice to be able to see the new tech that Blackmagic is showing off at the moment. With the ATEM, with the cameras, and now we've got this really cool podcast setup. It's been really, really good. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for technology. I'll give you an example. When I do my podcast, right? Usually I would shoot all the various camera feeds, bring it into Resolve and edit it and stuff. So I need my computer, I need my laptop, right? And I've been recently using the ATEM Mini Pro. And what I love about that is just this tiny little gadget, but it's a beast, right? And I could do all my camera feeds via HDMI at the back of the ATEM Mini Pro. I can cut between them all and record directly on the drive with no laptop or computer in sight. That's one example of how hardware is speeding up my workflow, but also means I can do a traveling podcast now. I think we need more events like these, especially for bringing the community together, but also sharing knowledge. But also, it's a really good space for everyone to kind of vent at each other as well and critiquing each other's work. You need these kind of events. I always say this, the industry we work in, film, TV, and video games, it's not just about technology and doing cool things. It's about the people. And events like this is what brings people together.